Good afternoon, folks. Happy Veterans Day. This is Bradley here. Today is Thursday, November 11th, 2021. Current time is now 4:54 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just about 6 minutes before 5 o'clock. Yes, folks, this afternoon, I think we got a CFE train coming. And I think the units probably might be the same ones that I spotted this morning. I think it might be MQT 3413 leading a 2096. Don't worry, folks, he'll be here just by a few minutes. He's just still west of town here. I'm at Market Street Railroad Crossing here at milepost 287.3. This is going to be a CFE MQT train. This is going to be an eastbound. He's getting ready to head towards for Lima. And he's proceeding from Adams to Cole, which means he's proceeding from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. Don't worry, folks. He'll be here in just a little bit. Just stay tuned for a few minutes, okay? Yeah, we got some rain out here. Current temperature is 55 degrees with rain. Yeah, I think we just had a cold front that just came through here already, though. And we had some winds earlier today. We had a special weather statement from the Northern Indiana National Weather Service earlier for gusty winds from 45-mile-an-hour wind gust. But right now, the special weather statement's now over. We still got a little bit of rain in the forecast for today, then it's supposed to clear up by later tonight. Yep, that's him. He should probably be getting ready to get close to the signal by Wall Street, which is milepost 287.7. Yep, we got some rain in the forecast. Yeah, we just got some possible showers today, because we just had a cold front that just came through here. I think it's already past us right now. They said we're supposed to get rain this evening, then they said it's supposed to get clear skies by later tonight, though. That's him.
No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 294. Speed 29 out.
Ooh, 294 axles at 29 miles an hour. Yes, folks, that's my CFE radio mile detector post. Yeah, he says CFE milepost detector 291.3. He said 294 axles on his train, proceed at a speed of 29 miles an hour, which is nearly 30 miles an hour. Yep, that was my CFE radio. Yep, he's coming, folks. He'll be here just by a few minutes. Just stay tuned for a few more minutes and he'll be here, okay? Sometimes I like to start early so I can give you guys some more information about anything, okay? And I just want to let you know, too, that it is a special day for us here in the United States, because this is Veterans Day, the day we celebrate for the honor for all those people that serve for our country. So I'd like to salute and honor for all the people that serve for our country. Yep, you should be getting closer to the signal. Yep, CFE, milepost detector. He usually does that every time before he gets to Wert, though. So so you can know what train it is and how many axles are there and what speed he's going. Current time now is 4:59, just about a minute before 5 o'clock. Don't worry, folks, he's coming. Just be patient. Yeah, that's him. He's getting closer. I think the units are going to probably be the same thing, the same ones I spotted this morning. I think it's probably MQT 3413 leading a 2096 CFE. Those are probably the units that I spotted this morning here on the CFE main line. I can hear him, he's getting closer. Current time now is 5 o'clock. Railroad signal should probably get ready to start in just about a few seconds. Oh, I can hear the railroad signals for Washington Street Railroad crossing. Oh, there goes the signals for Market Street Railroad crossing. Current time now is 5:02. Here he comes, folks. We got a train coming. Oh, I can hear the roar of the CFE train coming. Here he comes. I can hear the roar. Yep, I'm right. It's 3413. Yes, folks, it's heading to Lima. I'm at Market Street Railroad crossing here at milepost 287.3. This is a MQT 3413 leading a 2096 CFE. This is a mixed price. He's on his way to Lima. Must came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, folks, this is an eastbound. He's proceeding from Adams to Cole here on the main line here, which means he's proceeding from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. Yes, folks, those are the same locomotives I captured this morning on the railroad. About before noon this afternoon. There are 294 axles here on this train. He's going at a speed of 29 miles an hour, received from Adams to Cole here on the main line. Oh, there's the last car. Well, there he goes. He's headed to Lima. I'm at Market Street Railroad Crossing, here at milepost 287.3. This has been an MQT CFE mixed freight train. This is an eastbound. He's headed to Lima. He must have came all the way from the Summit City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, folks, this is an eastbound. He's proceeding from Adams to Cole, which means he's proceeding from Fort Wayne, Indiana to Lima, Ohio. Yes, folks, that was the same locomotive that I captured this morning on the railroad. Just right before noon, there was 2096 leading a MQT 3413. That was a westbound. He was proceeding from Cole to Adams. Well, there he goes, folks. He's heading to Lima. Well, folks, I hope you're really enjoying that CFE and MQT train. I'll see if I can get more soon, okay? Hope you all subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a comment. What you think about the trains on the railroad. And all those weather and railroad spotters out there, you all stay safe out there. And make sure you all stay dry and be careful out there when you're driving if there's rain and wind, okay? And I just want to make sure I wish you all happy Veterans Day. Since today is Thursday, November 11th, 2021. It's the day we celebrate for the honor for the ones that serve for our country. So I salute and honor for all those people who are veterans that serve for our country. I salute for you all. All right, well, you all have a good day. You all stay warm. Make sure you all stay dry. And make sure you all stay safe out there. This is Bradley here. You all have a good day. All right, thank you. All right, bye.